Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ends in Pudding! The mini on the losing side is supposed to fall into pudding, but I don't see any minis.
Now hold it right there! Where are my minis? They are causing confusion and delay. But what the fat controller didn't realize was that Arthur had gone off the track on his way to deliver the minis. But with a little help, he was back on his way.
We're gonna be so late! I sure hope Sir Topham Hat's not mad at us!
But Sir Topham Hatt was just happy to see the minis arrive safely.
Well, that's much better. Now let's get started with Spencer versus James. This is actually regular James's first time ever on the Choo Choo channel.
Oh no! Oh! I've never tried pudding before. This is quite delicious. Chocolatey, smooth. Everything about this is amazing.
Next up, Diesel 10 versus Henry. Whoa, that's scary. Watch out for Pincy.
Hey! What's going on here? Where's my pudding? I want my pudding. What is this? This isn't pudding. What is this, some kind of flour? What is this? I want creamy, yummy, delicious pudding. This is so ridiculous. I'm about to sneeze. What does that package say? Pistachio powder? You're supposed to make the pudding before you give it to me. I don't know even what is that, milk? Oh, you're adding the milk? I think you have to cook it though. Ew, it's green and slimy. I just don't think I like pistachio pudding at all.
And now, Rosie versus Lady. Fast forward mode. We've got two tough competitors here. Neither one is willing to give up.
Whoop! Oh my! I've fallen in head first. Oh, why thank you, but I don't think I'll be needing a spoon. My face is buried into this whether I like it or not. But I do like the lemon flavor.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Paint-Splattered Thomas versus RHENEAS.
Oh, hi there. I sure hope you like some candy dots in your pudding. It is an interesting topping to choose. Whoa! That was scary. I sure am glad you're dropping spoons and not knives. That was a close call. You know, I was hoping this was vanilla, but it's tapioca pudding. It's kind of weird. Not so sure about this. And there's some weird chunk on my face. Get it off of me!
Semi-finals, Spencer versus Diesel 10.
Oh boy, I love pudding! It's pudding time! Yum, yum, yum! Mmm, butterscotch flavor too! Fantastic! Oh, I could just stay here forever. Did I get any on my face? You're looking at me kind of funny. Napkin please?
Diesel 10 goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Lady or RHENEAS?
Hey, alright! Pudding! We don't have this on my planet! Vanilla flavoring! Great stuff! Oh, I really like it. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! You're like dropping stuff on me? What's this about? Watch it! I am a supervillain alien! You don't want to mess with me! Who turned out the lights? I can't see a thing. Hello? Where am I? Anyone? Help!
Final round, Diesel 10 versus RHENEAS.
All right, chocolate. You really do save the best for last. Oh, this is good stuff. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a napkin here. Can I have a napkin, please? That's not gonna do me any good over there. A little help.
RHENEAS is the winner!
That pudding sure looks yummy, but everyone knows it's still not as good as Neapolitan ice cream. I'm still waiting for that napkin.
And I still can't see anything!
We hope you liked our video. Be sure to subscribe.